sound wave. Today we are learning to solve a problem involving echo. What is echo? Echo simply means reflected sound. The sound that is being reflected, that is being thrown back. Alright, let's look at this question. A ship's echo sounder sends out a supersonic note which is received back at the ship 4 seconds after. If the velocity of the sound through water is 1,500 meters per second, what is the depth of the seabed? You know what the seabed is? That's the bottom, okay, of the sea. Now we're trying to find the depth of the seabed from the surface of the sea to the seabed. What is the depth? Okay, now assuming this is the ship, this is the sea, and this is the seabed. So it means that we are trying to find out this distance from here to here. That is the depth of the seabed. Now, an echo sounder which has a transmitter and a receiver. So assuming the sound is being sent down the seabed. Now, because the seabed is just like a rock, okay, it's a reflecting surface. When the sound gets to the seabed, it is being thrown back, it is being reflected back. Now, if this is a transmitter, now it goes down, then it's being thrown back to the receiver. Now, the time taken for the sound to get to the seabed and come back again for the receiver to hear the sound is giving us 4 seconds. 4 seconds. So we write the time T. That is to hear the sound again is 4 seconds. And then we were told that the speed of sound through water, okay, the speed of sound, not the speed of sound in air, the speed of sound in water is 1,500 meters per second. So we write V, which is the speed of sound. The speed is 1,500 meters per second. Now the question says, what is the depth of the seabed? What is the depth of the seabed? Now, let's say that the depth of the seabed, which is the distance traveled by the sound from here to here, is giving us D. So D is the depth of the seabed. That's what we are looking for. Alright, now there is a relationship between distance, speed, and time. That relationship is giving us speed is equals to distance all over time. Now we use V equals to D over T. Now, because the sound travels the distance twice, it gets to the seabed, it returns again for the receiver to hear it. So it comes back to the receiver. The distance is twice. So we are using V equals to 2D over T. Alright, so we just have to substitute this in order to find the distance, which is the depth of the seabed. So we have 1,500 meters per second is equals to 2D all over the time, which is 4 seconds, divided by 4. Now we have 2 here is 1, 2 here is what? 2. So now we have 1,500 is equals to D over 2. What's the next thing to do? Cross multiply. So this will give us that D is equals to 1,500 times 2. And D is equals to 3,000. The unit of distance is meters because the speed is in meters per second. So the depth of the seabed, therefore depth of seabed is equals to 3,000 meters, or say 3 kilometers. Thanks for watching.